ordered a vegetarian set meal. It comes with salad, so one curry and butter naan. Told him to make it very thin because here they make naans very thick, and also kadak, that means crispy. So this is 1,000 yen. That means 670 rupees. Not bad for a lunch. So some people they give drink complimentary, but here there is no complimentary drink. Drinking excellent masala tea. So in this Indian restaurant, so it is almost 2 o'clock, but I can't get Indian tea outside, so I'm just drinking tea after lunch, and then I leave. Prakash ji, thank you very much. Food is very nice. Bahadur ji, thank you very much. Food is very nice. Yeah, excellent. Chai is masala tea is very good. Thank you. So, okay, I have found the Indian restaurant I was looking for. So it is best. I had best lunch with a set menu, naan and roti. Sorry, naan and curry, mixed vegetable curry, and salad and tea. Excellent tea. So Prakash and Bahadur were working here. The typical neighborhood in Kyoto. So people still eating and they are drinking coffee, tea now. So now I will go to see the rush. I will go to Inari temple, and I have to take one metro, only 2 stops from here. So after visiting that Inari temple, I am planning to go to Nara. So Nara Deer Park, see the rush because it's weekend. This is Japanese omelette restaurant. So they say I. This is Kobe beef. Japanese soup. If I want to go from this street, it will take me minimum 20 minutes to go out. So better take a different route. Oh, here plush is this. All non-vegetarian. Beef, oysters, you know. It is very smelly, but just I want to take a video. So I'm not going to stay here for at least 5 minutes. I'm just keep moving. So to experience Japan, Kyoto, rest of Japan. This is food capital of this Osaka is considered food capital of Japan, and this Kyoto is considered cultural capital of Japan. And Tokyo is commercial capital of Japan, and also political capital of Japan, and seat of emperor. So we can also stay here. So yeah, I'm not going to enter that because I have to do 2 things now today before it gets dark. Sorry. So all beef, pork, mutton, chicken, fish, oysters. So it's all proper Japanese restaurants. So yeah, proper Japanese. So people have entered with Japanese costumes inside. They are sitting on the bench and eating food. This is cave to go, means we can't hear and drink. Just we have to take and go. So these are vending machines. You find them everywhere all over the country. So for water, for tea, for coffee. So see the cycle stand. cycle parking for these apartments. Is also 2 floors. You can see 2 floors, bike stand. So even numbers, they have numbers. They have to park only in their designated numbers. So they have also vehicle numbers for bikes. So this is, everything is very well organized and picture perfect. See the hotel, restaurant. So Japanese style izakaya. So is the restaurant, a dish available. So I don't know why they have put this as vehicle. They should put as pedestrian only, because so many people are working here. So Kyoto looks like proper Japanese. So it is proper Japan city. See the vehicles, all are Japan made. So Toyota, Nissan, oh, one Swedish Volvo, again Honda. So now I don't have time, I have to rush and take a metro to go to the 1000. Looks like there's an Indian restaurant nearby. I didn't find it. I can see Indian flag there. So should thoroughly search before going far. So finally I'm going to reach this Keihan Railway Jeon Shijo station. So from here I have to take a train. So see, it is very busy. So even taking time to walk in this area. So that's why it took more than 20-25 minutes. So to come here from Indian restaurant. So I was just taking videos, photos in between, pictures. So I have to take that Keihan Railway. So toilets inside the gate area, so I can use that. So so different temples. So I think I can use my Suica card. So no need to buy tickets, it is waste of time. So I have missed one train in the morning. So I have to take this train. I asked one girl. So she said I have to take this train and get down at stop. So I am boarded the train and it is going now. So this is Fushimi Inari stop. So KH33. So I have to get down here so to go to that temple. So it's very famous temple. So there are so many pillars in the temple. So that is a famous. So then after this I will try to go to Nara Deer Park, and then after Nara I will go to hotel to Osaka. So see how it goes. Still this railroad crossing exists in Japan, because there must be, because there are thousands of lines, hundreds or thousands of lines. So they can't put over bridge everywhere or underpass everywhere. It is not possible. Looks like this is the entrance for Fushimi Inari Taisha. So yeah, see, I can see so many people coming out. That means this is the temple, this is the entrance. So I am already running 1.5 hours late. So by this time I would have reached Nara Park, but never mind. So because I have only one day. Tomorrow is the last in Japan. So I have to stretch. So I can take rest after going to the hotel. So it's not a problem. So this is Fushimi Inari Taisha. So we can see several pillars in this temple, red color pillars. This is the famous temple. See, red arch. This is the one. So eating and drinking are prohibited from here. No eating, no drinking inside the temple shrine. So we have to strictly follow the customs, their taboos, customs, or what rituals, whatever. Beautiful temple. Beautiful shrine. See, excellent. I would have done a mistake if I don't have visited this shrine. So first thing, when we come to Japan, we have to come to Kyoto. We have to spend here at least 3-4 days. Kyoto and Osaka 4-5 days, and then go to Tokyo. See, this is the map. So you can see the pillars. There are several orange color or red color pillars. So see toilets everywhere. So no need to bother about toilets in Japan, restrooms in Japan. So we find them everywhere. In every restaurant, every train station. And toilets are also even public toilets, so they maintain very excellent. See, excellent maintenance. So they never charge anywhere for toilets.